in understanding some of the major map locations that had been in news recently. So Sambalpur was in news. Now here, Hirakud Dam has been always one of the most unsolved problems of displacement in the country, in the Sambalpur district. And here, a bulk of dam material that was extracted could be sufficient enough to build a 8-kilometer road from Kanyakumari to Kashmir and from Amritsar to Dibrugarh. So that is the amount of issue that has been raised, and Human Rights Commission has been working for it. The next is Kevadia. Kevadia is the place closest to the statue of Sardar Patel, and this is the place where recently the Cactus Garden and the Butterfly Park was inaugurated. Also, after completion, this would be the first green building railway station in India. So those are some of the key highlights about it. Coronation Bridge, also known as the Sevok Bridge in the region of West Bengal, would be connecting Darjeeling with Kalimpong. It has been built along the Tista River, and this name has been to commemorate the coronation of King George VI and Queen Elizabeth in that region. This is also known as Bagpole because you have two tigers being built on the entrance of the bridge. The next is Gazipur in Uttar Pradesh. A 15-ton per day waste to power plant had been established here. This is a biogasification plant. Also Gazipur is known for rose spray, which is the gulab jal, which was a part of the tomb of Lord Cornwallis, who actually lost his life here. The next is the Miri village, which is the home to Mishing tribe. Now Mishing tribe is seen in the region of Assam as well as Arunachal Pradesh. They were able to survive the harsh times of COVID lockdown because of agroforestry. They were able to grow sufficient crops for themselves, and which could provide nutrition to the local people. And Mishings are also known as Mees by the common name. The next is Mansar Lake. Mansar Lake is a lake in Jammu, not very close in the city, but had been a beautiful site and has been part of the Ramsar Convention since 2005. It is one of the natural and the freshwater lakes, and a lot of tourists visit this place every year. Panna Tiger Reserve is the third biosphere reserve except Panchmani and Amarkantak to be part of the Man and Biosphere program of UNESCO, a very important project, and numerous species have been found here. Muzaffarnagar district in Uttar Pradesh has the Hadirpur wetland. Now this is also part of the Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary, and it was constructed after the Madhya Ganga barrage construction was done, and also now a Ramsar site. So the Hadirpur wetland is an important location in Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. The next is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research in Hyderabad discovered a nebulizer based inhalation therapy for COVID patients, and this is one of the India's public pharmaceutical research university, which is one of the 7 schools of India's Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. So important location in Hyderabad. The next is Buldhana in Maharashtra, known for Lonar crater. Now Lonar crater has been built by the volcanic basaltic rock. It is in the Bundhala district of Maharashtra, a very important location designated by the Ramsar as one of the wetlands after the Nandu Madheshwar Bird Sanctuary in Nasik in Maharashtra. So two Ramsar locations in Maharashtra. The next is Raiganj Wildlife Sanctuary. This lies in Uttar Dinajpur district in West Bengal, and this is the second largest bird sanctuary in Asia, one of the very important locations known for its beauty. The next is Gamgul Wildlife Sanctuary, lying in the Chamba district in Himachal Pradesh in the Salhoni Tehsil, and this is where you have a huge population of musk deer, Himalayan tahar that is present, and some of the popular hill stations lies close to Gumgal, which is the Khajar, the Dalhousie. So those are some of the important locations. Then next is Korada. Korada district in Odisha is known for high concentration of fluoride that was found in the water. Now there is a very simple relation. When you have low fluoride concentration, there is higher bicarbonate and vice versa. Fertilizers are one of the major causes for fluoride contamination that is seen, and the regions of Nayagarh and Korada district have witnessed high amounts of fluoride contamination. Nayagarh, as we said, is another, also known for its fluoride contamination in Odisha, but it is also known for brass utensils and manufacturing of railway coaches. So two important reasons for which Nayagarh is known. Parvan tunnel has been a tunnel which is connecting Jhalawad and the Bara district, and it would connect the dam at the Alwad Khan village, Kalan village. So that would be one of the major areas that would be connected and would be operational by this January. The next is in Meghalaya, the Cherry Blossom Festival occurs. This same festival also occurs in Michigan as well as in Japan, and Meghalaya, or India we could say, is the 26th largest producer of cherry in the world. This festival is celebrated every year in November, but this year it was cancelled. The next is Punchukari Vellani in Thiruvananthapuram. Now this is one of the birding hotspots where a new variety of willow warbler was seen in the Punchukari region, which is one of the birding hotspots of the region. This lies in the wetland area of Vellani, which is again under the Ramsar wetland regions. The next is Malkangiri. Malkangiri is the district which is known for Bonda tribe, which is a particularly vulnerable tribal group and had seen a lot of distress migration during the COVID time. Malkangiri is also known in Ramayana because you have the Tamasa river that flows here, and it is believed that Saint Valmiki was actually able to express his feelings of Ramayana in his book at this river. The next is Ranakpur in Pali. This is the region of Pali is known for its mehendi, the henna at the Sojat city, and also you have the famous Adinath temple according to the Jain philosophical construct which is present here, one of the very important Jain locations. The next is Bagalkot district in Karnataka, where recently a compressed biogas plant has been established, and this place, the Bagalkot district, is also known for its silk and handloom industries. So those were some of the recent locations that were seen in the map location this time. We would be covering map locations every month. Stay tuned for next update from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.